gonna destroy them. That was me. It's a fresh off the roof. They all. Yeah. It's a trap. It's a trap. I saw that. I saw that. I saw that. I saw that. Oh. I'm really tempted to gain some ground right now. But I still have the chance. Walden, are they going around? Where are they? I saw that, and I saw Weston. I shot at him, but I didn't get him. Anyway, they are going behind us. They're not over there. I'm going up front. I'm going. Melee mode. The goose wouldn't be honking that much. Holy. Yeah. Where's your friend? Oh! What the? William, shoot Weston! Did you get Weston? I got you covered! As much as I can. Dude, where is he at? He can't tell me I can't get him. Show yourself! Yeah! Another victory for us! Let's go! High five! We win! Victory shot! Sorry.